This video is basically for the teachers who wants to use Microsoft Teams for their teaching learning process. So this is a very good application. This is the icon of the team. You can install this app from the Play Store. In Play Store, you can simply write Microsoft Teams. In Play Store, simply write Microsoft Teams. And then you can download this app as this is already installed. So after installation, the icon will be like this. So this tutorial is basically for the teachers. So when you open this, now first thing is in Microsoft team is a very big team where the school have a login. School will create the ID and password for the teachers. The school administrator will create the ID and password for all the students. So when suppose as a teacher you got the ID password from the school administrator of Microsoft team. So simply click on sign in and then write your username and password. Write the complete username password. Suppose I am writing a teacher username and then complete @kvbara.onmicrosoft.com. Then you have to write the password. Okay, so after sign in, you can see such type of messages. Simply click on this got it. Now at the bottom you can see there are 5 tabs: activity, chat, teams, assignment and calendar. When first time you log in, all things are not will happen. There is an empty thing. Now the first thing is we have to create the team. Teams means you have to create, suppose you are a subject teacher of class 12th physics or class 12th chemistry. So you need to create a class 12th physics. How you can do this? Click on this teams as this is showing 12 IP, but in case you first time login, it will case an empty class. So as we want to create a new team, what you can do? This is for 12 IP. Click on here. You can see there is an option called create new team. Now click on this. There are various options are there. Click on classes. Then any class that you want, suppose 12th chemistry or whatever, suppose 12th chemistry. Take the description, anything chemistry class. Okay, so like this you can create a team name. After creating the team name, as all the students are already being registered in this portal, here is the option to add students. So suppose you are teaching 12th chemistry, then one by one you have to add all the students. As the students are already registered, you just have to write the small name here. Suppose any class name, suppose Anand. You know Anand is here. Ariba. All students are registered. Suppose any student is not found, then you can contact your school administrator to add that student. Then click on this tick. So like this you can add various students. After adding a student, suppose you want to modify them, then click on this class manage members and then you can add or modify the students or remove the students. So like this, first thing is to create the team. For each team there is this message is there, general. What is this general? General is basically a channel. When you click on this general, you can see there are 3 tabs open: post, files and more. This post is simply like your WhatsApp group. Means we can understand that with compared to WhatsApp, means suppose we have 2 WhatsApp group, 2 channels, one for 12th chemistry, one for 12th IP. In general, this is a post option. This is something called WhatsApp group, entire WhatsApp group. It is loading. Post, files and modes. In this bell icon, you can click on this so that you can get all the notification. In the post, you can click here Then you can start conversation with all your team members. You can send message, you can send images, videos, whatever the things, recorded video, whatever the things you want to converse. Like WhatsApp, you can communicate with all the things. Any files you can send, JPG, PDF, anything. All the files that you have uploaded as goes in this files folder also. So students can access, student access the same thing that we are accessing here. Like in more, this is an important thing. There is a class notebook. This is the digital notebook. You can maintain digital notebook for each student. Grades and assignment. You can assign the assignment for the student. Suppose assignment. This is also very good tool. In assignment, suppose after completion of each chapter, you want to give 5 to 10 questions for the students. Click on the create, then new assignment, and you simply have a worksheet. Give the title of the assignment, instruction, add category or add resources. In the add resources, you can add a file, upload from this device like PDF and image file, and then assign to here all students. Or suppose a group of students, you can assign the due date and the time. So like this you can create the assignment. As soon as you assign this, all students get notification that you have provided an assignment. You can provide a particular marks for that assignment also. Like in this 12 IP, I have assigned a assignment. You can see I have assigned an assignment, Python data frame. You can see I have assigned this assignment to 20 students and 3 out of 20 hands in, मतलब 3 बच्चों ने मुझे इसको सबमिट कर दिया है. When you goes in this, there is a separate video for the students how they can submit their assignment. Mark 3, I have marked 3 assignment and provided the 10 marks for this. These are the remaining students. So when any student assigned, then you got notification that this student has submit their assignment. This is the assignment section. In grades, you can get the grades that you have assigned to the students for their assignments. Suppose for these students, I have not assigned anything, so points are /10 here. Now important thing is, so like this you can control the entire class. Will all the resources should be put out here. Students can access in a single place all the things. Main thing is how we can create a class, means audio video class. So for this assignment is here also. For this, click on this calendar. Yes, these are the already scheduled class, but suppose you are login for the first time, then you will get only this symbol. So click on this symbol for schedule a meeting. Click on this, then you can schedule the title, then share to a channel. This is important, means in which channel you want to share this notification. So click on this, and here you can get all the channel list. All the channel means all the classes, all the teams that you have created. So you can get the list of channels. Suppose it is showing the 2 channels. Suppose you want to do this class for this channel, means all the participant of this channel will get notification, and then you can create like this. So as soon as you create a schedule, all students get that this is a schedule for this class, and then when there is a time, then click on this join, and then you can connect, join now, and then you will get all the videos, mic. You can have a facility of screen sharing. You can have a facility to record the entire class and then publish. So there is option of recording also. So this is about the team assignment and calendar. Now this is highly secure app, means when you schedule a meeting, only the participant will be that channel students only. So no outsider can join your meeting. In this title, share a channel, all days, location. So like this you can give your event. You can repeat your class also, means suppose all day. So no need to schedule daily. You schedule for a week. So like this, you can do this. In this first activity section, you get all the notification at the front chat. Now suppose I am a teacher, so it is showing two classes here. In the case of student, now suppose there is a student of 12 science. Now suppose physics teacher has added you, chemistry teacher has added you, physics teacher added that student, chemistry teacher added that student. Then in that case, that student login showing that channels, that teams. Suppose the 12th science students, then suppose physics teacher added him, then it's showing 12th physics. Suppose IP teacher added him, 12th IP, then 12th chemistry, 12th like this. So in a single place, a student can found all the teachers, all the schedule meeting simply like this. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. I think you will get beneficial from this. Thank you.